So, friends, today's recipe is my husband Abhijit's own creation, and the dish is just fantastic. And I really would recommend that you try out this recipe, and you'll want to make it all the time. So, let's begin with the recipe. Now, we're going to begin with marinating the chicken. Now, either you keep the chicken breast full or you can cut it up into pieces. I'll be showing it to you both ways. So basically, we just have to, the main thing is the marination. So we're going to start by adding the garlic powder. Now, if you don't get your hands on garlic powder, you can also use just regular garlic paste. But garlic powder is available in superstores. It's available online too. It does have a little different flavor, so if you can use that, then use that. Okay, now I'm going to also be adding this garlic bread seasoning that you get, which has garlic flakes in it and roasted garlic flakes, and it just elevates the flavor of this dish. So if you can get all the ingredients that I am using, your dish is going to taste fab. Also, I'm going to be adding some regular Italian seasoning because it has a mixture of all the important herbs that that we need for this recipe all in one. Now, this video is not sponsored by Kea, but we do use a lot of Kea powders. So this is paprika. If you don't get your hands on paprika, just use a mixture of regular red chili powder along with some Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives the color. But even paprika is easily available. Then I'm going to be adding some pepper powder. And then, of course, this is piri piri chicken, so I'm going to be adding the piri piri powder. Now, those of you who already love piri piri, you have to try out this dish, guys. It's just mind-blowing. I mean, when Abhijit made it the first time, it was so delicious. On the same evening, we made him make it again. My kids and me, we just loved it so much. Then we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Now, if you don't have olive oil, you can use regular oil too. And then we're going to use Worcestershire or Worcestershire, whichever way you pronounce it. We're going to add that. Like for those of you who have been regularly following Akshatas Recipes, you know I get all my products from Crawford Market. Now I'm going to be adding some salt. So for those of you who, and of course some lemon juice. For those of you who haven't yet gone to Crawford Market, guys, you need to go there. Just make a big list of all the stuff you require and go shopping. Okay, now once our chicken is marinated for about 20 minutes, we're just going to add, heat some extra virgin olive oil in a pan, and immediately we're going to put the chicken in to fry because olive oil does not require to be heated. Now here you'll see me putting a little bit of the whole breast. This is when he made it in the morning, and in the evening we actually diced it up first and then put it. So you can either cook it with the breast piece entirely, that is marinate the breast piece, cook it and then cut it up into small pieces, or you can cut it up into small pieces, marinate it and cook it right away. Either way, it tastes just fabulous. Believe me, if you make this once, you're going to want to make it all the time. It's just finger-licking delicious. Literally. So getting back to the recipe, cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes, and then just add a little bit of garlic, that is a little bit of diced up garlic. I used about 4 big large cloves diced finely, and then a little bit of piri piri masala and a little bit of lemon juice. And then just coat the chicken pieces with this mixture. I know there's a lot of garlic, but it tastes divine. So just keep turning the chicken with with some tongs or a knife and a fork or whatever you have at hand, and just see that the chicken is well coated. Now you don't need to cook the chicken for a very long time. So just this entire process took us about 15 minutes because chicken does tend to get overcooked. So keep an eye on it, and then when you just put a toothpick or a knife or a spoon, you can come to know that the chicken is well cooked. It already looks so delicious, doesn't it? So now if you're cooking the entire chicken breast, then just wait for it to cool a little bit to room temperature, and then just cut it up into small bit sizes like this. Now this is a dish in itself, but believe me, it goes really well with some bun bread or soft bread. And like we here in Mumbai city get this amazing pav. I am a pav addict. It just tastes divine, and you just can't have, one. You want to have more and more and more of it. So just apply a little bit of butter and stuff it up. And this is your lemon piri piri chicken. I am so happy to share this recipe with you. I said I have to get my viewers to watch this recipe and to try it out. So guys, if you really do like this recipe and you've tried it out and really liked it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. For those of you who haven't yet hit the red subscribe button, it'll just take you a minute to just log in into your Google account or into your YouTube account. If you haven't opened one, then open one right now and just subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. I would love to have you as a part of Akshatas Recipes family. And if you subscribe, then don't forget to hit the golden bell so you won't miss out anything that's happening on Akshatas Recipes, whether it is a new recipe or it's a vlog or I'm just talking to you on live chat. If you become a part of this, then you can really enjoy so many recipes, and also I can chat with you, get to know you better on the live streaming. And friends, do visit my channel. I have more than 230 recipes at the moment. So please go and check them out. I also have many vlogs where you can get to know me better. Do share Akshatas Recipes with family and friends. Spread the word about my channel. I would really appreciate it. And also, friends, if you're looking for some more interesting recipes like this, I do have some amazing recipes. Like there is some barbecue pulled chicken. That too is mind-blowing. I have some mushroom risotto. Then I have spicy suka chicken, surmai fry, garlic and lemon prawns. Just a big array of dishes. And all of them are quick and simple and very easy to make. You don't require many ingredients. You don't require elaborate equipment. Just follow my recipes and you'll get amazing dishes. So remember, friends, impossible is just an opinion. And I've started this new thing that with every recipe of mine, at the end, I'm going to inspire you with some lovely quotations and thoughts of the day. I love to read all of this because it really goads me on and inspires me. So friends, I will wind up this video and I will catch you in my next video. And thank you so much for stopping by, for watching Akshatas Recipes, for subscribing to my channel, and for supporting Akshatas Recipes. Another thought for the day is be thankful for what you are and keep fighting for what you want to be tomorrow. How you want to better yourself, better your life, make your life more fruitful. Just keep going at it and, go after your dreams, and, everything comes true if you just believe in it and stay positive, be around positive people, and do all things that make you happy. And like I said before, thank you so much, because without your love and support, Akshatas Recipes wouldn't be what it is today. And I have all of you to thank for, and you are the guys who keep me going on, but I want to put more and more recipes and I want to share so much more with you. So me and my family, that is my husband Abhijit and my kids Ira and Aryan, thank you so much for believing in Akshatas Recipes and giving us all your support. Thank you guys and have a great day. Bye.